In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add your name on your lock screen. Adding your name to your iPhone lock screen is important for identification and security purposes. If your phone is lost, having your name displayed increases the chances of it being returned to you. In emergencies, this information can help first responders identify you and contact your loved ones. To add your name just like mine right here, just head to your phone settings. On the settings page, head to the option of focus. You will then tap on this plus icon. Tap on custom. Add your name. It can be a phone number or something you want on your lock screen. Then select any sticker that will be just next to your name. Tap on next and select customize to get enabled successfully. Get to your control center and long hold on your focus icon to choose what you have added. If you lock your iPhone, your name will show up just right here. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.